जय श्रीमन्नारायण. किष्किंधाकांड. हो Taradevi, do not think that Sugriva killed Vali, but you have to consider that Vali is killed by his own actions. Ho Taradevi, Sugriva is just an excuse in that entire episode, and also everyone supposed to be questioning themselves, evaluating themselves, thinking that what I am doing and what I am going to get out of it, all of my actions, where are they going to lead me, what kind of pains and pleasures I will go through if I do like this, and what kind of upper worlds that I will attain out of my actions. These are all the things everyone supposed to question themselves. Ho Tara, this body is like bubble, water bubble. That is why do not cry for this body. Now your son is still alive. Angada is still alive. Now you have to take care of your son, and for the sake of your son you have to be alive. You should not be saying that you would also die along with your husband Vali. Ho Taradevi, now you have to think what you supposed to be doing for Vali. Every soul comes into body and then departs from the body. There is no way we can stop that. And now thinking that, realizing that fact, you should not be keep crying and sitting right next to Vali, but you have to think what action you should be performing now so that the departed soul would be getting favor out of it. Those are called Urdhva Daihika Kriya. Ho Taradevi, you have to do that now. You have to help you have to have your son Angada do that so that Vali will be in peace. Ho Taradevi, this Vali is not an ordinary Vanara. He is a great Vanara. And under his ruling, all the Vanaras were happily living on this earth. And because of Paramatma's Sankalpam, now Vali left his last breath. Ho Taradevi, Vali used to console whoever in the pain. Vali used to pacify whoever was crying. Vali used to give how much ever that everybody wants so that they would be content. Vali used to forgive all those who commits mistakes and sins. Such great Vali, Gato Dharma Jitam Bhumim, definitely he is going and reaching great upper worlds, divine upper worlds. That is why, Ho Taradevi, Nainam Sochitumarhasi, do not cry. We all will be under your ruling only. Ho Taradevi, you now have your Angada son perform all last rites to Vali. Whatever Angada supposed to be doing as son of Vali, he should be doing, and now you have to help him do that. For now, that is what we have to be doing. After all these things are done, Ho Taradevi, Simhasanagatam Putram Pasyanti Shanti Meshyasi. You can make your Angada as king, and while he is ruling the kingdom, you can be happy and peaceful. Like that, when Hanuma said few words to console Taradevi, now Taradevi responding back to Hanuma like Tara this, saying to Hanuma, O Hanuma, I love my Vali a lot. If you keep hundreds of sons like Angadas on one side and my big hugging to Vali on one side, you know what I would pick? The hugging to Vali is my best thing. That is what I would pick, and that is what is most weighing thing out of both. To that extent, I love my Natha Vali. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.